Hello students, welcome to Spectra Education Academy. In this video, I am going to explain how to prove last equation of motion. Let me write the equation Sn, or you can also call it as S part. So S part means part distance. U plus A of n minus half. What is n means nth second. So let me explain with the help of the diagram. Suppose let us say this is the distance, total distance in particular covered in n seconds, or you can call it as t seconds. Then suppose let us say this is the last second. So nth second you can say nth second, or you can also write it as a tth second. So if you want to find out the distance traveled by the body in the nth second, so it means you have to neglect, suppose if this is nth second, the just next one, last but one, it means. So it means it will be n minus 1th second, or you can say t minus 1th second. So if you want to find out distance traveled in the nth second, you subtract distance traveled to, you say this is up to t minus 1 second, it might be traveled n minus 1th distance. If you remove n minus 1 distance from the total distance, so what is the total distance? This is the total distance. This is the total distance. If you remove n minus 1th distance from S, so Sn minus 1 removing from S, so you will get a last equation of motion. So what is the importance of this one? We have already had S equal to ut plus half at square. So this particular equation to determine in total time, total distance covered. Now this particular equation is in the last second, or in a particular second. If you want to determine distance in a particular second, we use this equation. So now let me continue with the proof. So S part if you want to find out, or Snth if you want to find out, subtract Sn minus 1 from S. So what is S? Once again use the ut plus half at square minus. So how to write Sn minus 1? Even this is also total, but it is covered in t minus 1 second. So therefore, you in place of t, you substitute t minus 1 plus half a t minus 1 whole square. Now first you elaborate this one, ut plus half at square, right, as it is, minus. So this will be ut, this will be minus u plus half. So first you expand this one, t square, it is looks like a minus b whole square plus 1 minus 2t. Now just you write one more step here. This is ut plus half at square minus ut minus u plus half a into t square, at square, half into 1. So you don't need to write, minus half into a into 2t. So this 2 and 2 and get cancelled. So now let me write totally ut plus half at square minus ut, minus of minus will become plus u. This is minus half at square and minus half a. And there is also minus into minus plus 80. So you can cancel this and this. You can cancel ut and minus ut. So now you are with the u. You take out common a here plus a. So you will get a t minus half. So it means you treat the tth second. So you can also write this as u plus a of n minus of. So if you write n, you write it as nth second. If you take t, tth second. So both are correct. So this is S part. The students, in my next video, I'll continue how the equation of motion v square minus u square is useful for road safety to avoid accidents. So accident means, suppose we are in the vehicle, we are back of the another vehicle, there is a heavy vehicle, commercial heavy vehicle in front of us. So sometimes we see accident taken place from the back. So how to avoid those kind of accidents? So you can avoid those kind of accidents by making use of, by applying this particular equation, maximum you can avoid the accidents from the back. So I'll continue with the numerical, and I'll tell you the way how to avoid the accidents. Thank you very much for watching my video, but don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and relatives.